Hi, my name is Robert Muke. Today might be my last day of freedom because in the following report, both concise and controversial, I am going to disclose a secret you have never heard about before. I'm going to reveal to you an amazing natural healing method that was developed by a former Intercosmos researcher that may help anyone get rid of dizziness, vertigo, and other balance problems for good in as little as 14 days. It won't take you more than 15 minutes every day to put the methods into practice. Just 15 minutes per day on your self-treatment means that within 4 hours in total of therapy, and your dizziness, vertigo, and any other balance problems are completely gone. This secret therapeutic protocol used in astronauts' training schemes won't cost you a dime. It doesn't involve the latest drugs, visits to doctors, expensive re-education sessions, or complex testing. Just keep watching this report right now. Just a few months ago, it was almost impossible to get access to this treatment protocol. The reason why it has been kept under lock and key is obvious. I think that even a 5-year-old would figure out the situation if he or she found out that nowadays dizziness, vertigo, and balance problems have become a mass phenomenon, surpassed in frequency and cost according to national and international medical statistics by migraines and headaches only. Nearly 90 million Americans, or more than 1/3 of the population, report bouts of dizziness at some point in their lives according to the studies from the National Institute of Health. 1 in 3 people will experience dizziness or imbalance during their lifetime. There are an estimated 5 to 8 million physician visits for dizziness in the United States each year. Therefore, can you imagine how much is spent on medical services, medication, and difficult surgical interventions, on healthcare in general? I'll tell you, it's somewhere around many billion every year, and when it comes to talking about a lot of money, there are plenty of secrets too, don't you think? Vertigo and dizziness are 2 of the fastest-growing health search terms on Google, according to David Pothier, an internal ear specialist and researcher at Toronto's University Health Network. Do you know why? Diagnosing the cause of dizziness and balance problems is notoriously difficult. The vestibular system is really just a string of microscopic hairs at the end of cells, inaccessibly encased in bone, beyond the reach of biopsy or current imaging technology. Accurate diagnosis requires both specialized equipment, which many healthcare institutions lack, and specialists willing to invest inordinate amounts of time puzzling over patient charts and test results. But wait, there's more. Most chronic vestibular disorders don't respond to medication, and there currently isn't a way to regenerate human inner ear cells, the scientists say. But they can't hide the truth from you anymore. Now is the time for you to find out that everything you have known about the causes and treatments for dizziness, vertigo, and other balance problems is completely wrong. From today onward, the truth works for you. And I'm not kidding when I say this, because a strange and eventually happy experience that started as unhappy as it can get has helped me get a hold of this incredible scientific research-based method of treatment. It may help you get rid of dizziness, vertigo, and any other balance problems for good in only 2 weeks. Yes, you heard right, in just 14 days. The method will help you get rid of any balance disorders. It will take you as little as 15 minutes every day to put the method into practice. 100% sure disappearance of all these troubles is now possible thanks to my therapeutic protocol that does not involve drugs, does not require expensive treatments or surgical interventions, and has no side effects. If you suffer from poor balance, BPPV, vestibulopathy, labyrinthitis, vestibular neuritis, tinnitus, traumatic brain injury, or Meniere's disease. If you complain of vertigo associated with migraines, fatigue, anxiety, stress, weight loss diets, panic attacks, but especially if dizzy when traveling by car, plane, or boat. If you have dizzy spells in the morning when getting out of bed or when bending forward and then suddenly lifting your head. If you get dizzy after reading or spending too much time on your computer. If you experience balance problems every time you spin a little, then you should be all eyes and ears on this report. Watch and listen more.